Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be walking you through an easy, simple step-by-step guide on how to withdraw money from Trade Republic. So before we dive into the steps and guide, make sure you subscribe to the channel because the channel helps me out. So let's dive into it. So the first thing to do, make sure you open the Trade Republic app on your mobile, then log in into your account credentials using your account credentials. Then after that, you have to tap on the profile icon or the account tab, then select payout or withdrawal, depends on your app version. Then after that, you have to choose your linked bank account, then enter the amount you want to withdraw. So after that, you have to confirm the details and tap withdraw. So once you're done with that, you have to wait for the withdrawal. You have to wait for the funds to arrive in your account, which usually take between 1 to 3 days at least, if there's a network delay. But most times within a minute you have your phone in your account, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.